Alright, so today papanoorin natin ang performance ng Zonara Tabi, yung title na sa Wish 1075 Bus. I was there nung ginawa nila to, pero syempre gusto pa rin natin makita yung actual upload ng Wish Bus. Yung talagang kita sila, no? Yung talagang kitang-kita, no? And rinig na rinig. So this is their performance on Wish 107.5 Bus Tabi. Let's go. Eto na yun. Wait lang. Start agad. Wait. I-like muna natin yung video, pre. Man, I was there. Saan ba ako? Dito ako banda, oh. Diyan ako. Sa harap ako banda, boy. Ganun ako kalupit dyan. Okay, let's go. Ang dami pala namin dun, ha. Di ko alam na ang daming tao sa likod. Let's go, Zonara. Let's go. Let's do it. Naalala ko ulit yung kortina na ano ni yung kortina na ano ni sino to ni shit, nakalimutan ko na agad yung mga pangalan nila. Saglit lang ako pahinga mag-live. Eureka. Okay. Kortina siya dito. Okay. Let's go, man. Let's listen to it.
Hey, fresh crew, yo, we setting up the bays out of town. From zero just a hey, so raw, we been making our wave. Yeah.
Wish 1075.
Alright, let's run it all the way from peak to trough. And this na para magsasip yung road. Masang napasak na laro ng bato. Salubungin ang bunga nito, ipapaleto. Kaya move tabi-tabi, ikay magdadali. Dala-dala namin ay malaki-laki. Pagdali ka na alam na dari. Run, nari-ari ba? I'm involved in my dance and I'm feeling brand new.
The voicing is good. Ganda ng voicing nila ni Dom. Hello, Dom! Maya, di ko in-expect na yung magiging bias ko tsaka bias wrecker sila yung para mga main vocals. Di ko sure pero yung mga melodic na parts kasi silang dalawa yung nandun eh. Zonara Ikigay. Sige, Master Simple, after this, we'll do that, okay? Diba? Sila pala yun. Yung bias tsaka bias wrecker ko. I'm sorry, man. Wala eh. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Di ko alam kung mahagip ako ng camera dito. Wala naman di naman dapat. Malay mo, di ba? Dito ako banda. Andyan yan ako eh. Hindi ako makita. Oh my God. Di ko ma-comprehend na ano tatawag nito? Sila yung sumulat ng ibang mga parts ng kanta na to. Parang sobrang lakas ng kanta na to para isulat nila. I mean, I'm not doubting their abilities of course, but syempre mga debutant lang sila eh. 'Di ba? Bago pa lang, pas ganito nakalakas yung kanta na nagawa nila. It's crazy. It is crazy, man. Lakas talaga, man. I can definitely sense malakas talaga yung ano nila para sa akin. Man. Excited na akong gumawa sila ng ibang mga songs pa and I in my own opinion bilisan nila habang mainit pa, man. Galawin nyo na agad yung baso, Zonara. Let's go. We're waiting for the videos, man. We're here to support, of course. Let's go, Zonara.
Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi. Y'all better run with. Move like tsunami, move like tsunami. Oh no, pakita mo na. Ay, show, masukan man isang
Inang angas talaga nitong mukha ni... Sa tingin ko, wait. This is... I don't know if everybody thinks this, pero... When we talk about the face of Sonara, all I can think of is this woman. Well, kung isipin ko lang, no, in my own opinion, of course, my own humble opinion, she is the face of Sonara. At kung meron man magiging leader, I think she deserves it. Yun lang naman yung akin. Opinion lang naman, di ba? Kasi kung iisipin ko yung word na Sonara, a group called Sonara, tas ang naiisip ko talaga, siya eh. Ganitong mukha yung nakikita ko, si Eureka talaga, man, what the heck? Okay, let's go. Ang angas niya talaga tignan, ang ganda niya at ang angas niya tignan.
hindi tsamba ito'y kung batang panalo kahit marami ng talo ako'y naging panggato sila nalaman na alo hindi tumapak sa sunugan mausukan man isang busan lang yas na ito pagsugalan hindi ko susukuan di kailanman mawawalan tibukang ari-ari.
Ang galing niya din umano sa camera, no? Ang galing niya mag-perform sa camera, man. The facial expressions are on point. She is looking right through the camera. She is a showman. Eureka.
Ang tinuturing ko na yaman
Kung hindi niyo pa nakita yung Sonara sa personal, the camera doesn't give her beauty justice. Eto si Ella, if I'm not mistaken. The camera doesn't give her beauty justice. She is a freaking princess in person. Sobrang ganda niya to the point na parang siyang artista dyan. Talaga promise. Napakaganda niya talaga siya yung ano dun. Kumikislap-kislap. Let's go.
Ari ang tinuturing ko na yaman
Good note. Oh, good voicing, man. Good second voice right there from Tom. Dang, man. Ang galing, magaling. What the heck? Ganda.
Lahat ng mga pangapapagaya hawakan ang aking kamay nang mawalang lumbay.
Nice.
No need to fear, just hold on tight.
Eh, bias, oh. Bias ka yan.
I'm feeling it, this is our time.
Wish Cruiser
Good.
on Wish
Move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi.
107.5.
Angas!
Move like tsunami, move like tsunami. Hey, fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of 10, we're from 0 to 10. Hey, so raw, we be making out. Wait. Hey, fresh crew, yeah, we setting up the pace. Out of 10, we're from 0 to 10. Hey, so raw, we be making out. Wait.
I was there on that part.
Hi Wishers! We are
Sonara. For more Wish-clusive videos, click here to subscribe.
I need to hear that. I needed to hear that kasi dun sa live hindi yun pinarinig sa labas. Wow, man. Palakpakan ang Sonara. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe to their channel, subscribe. Let's support these girls, man. Napakalupit na mga babaeng to. They got a future, man. Let's go, Sonara. I'm rooting for you. Please gumawa na kayo ng ballad song. I really need you to make other people hear your voices because there's a lot of doubters and I think you need to shut them up. Hindi ko na kayang pigilan. Alright, Sonara, let's go, man.